Hello, everyone. Uh, can you guys hear me clearly? If you can hear me, please say yes in the chat. I think it's clear. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining this live stream. I'm really excited. Also, not just me, entire Doric team is really excited to present you some amazing features and products today. So we'll wait maybe one more minute, and then we'll dive in because lots of people still joining. I think already 64 is live watching, so it's great, and I think more people will come soon. So how is going everything for everyone? I can see Ethan here, and Max, and some others. So thank you guys for joining us. So I know everyone is here for AI announcement, but we have some amazing improvements and features also coming to Doric, like especially for performance improvement. I think you guys got a quick look in our group, but I will just start with first today with showing our performance improvement, and then I'll go to the AI part. How so we can finish the small part first, then go to the longer part. So I think first I'll show how we have improved our performance over the last few months. Especially our development team worked really hard to improve our performance. The complaint for especially for CMS side was that our performance is not really good. So and we always know that it was not really good. So we worked hard for a few months, and finally I think we reached the ultimate goal of our performance. So let's see. So you can see here my screen. We have two website here. One is alt.dcms.site. It's on our old CMS platform, and here we have new site. Both sites are exactly same. Carbon copy, you can see the contents. Both sites are same. You can see the contents and image, everything is exactly same, but you'll see the difference in the performance. So we have Google page speed here. So I'll just copy this URL and paste it here, and let's see how it shows. So this is the old performance test, so it will be really bad. We know it, especially on mobile. So we worked last from maybe from September to December, especially for just performance improvement. You can see it's red, it's 49, and not good enough for modern website. And in desktop it's 60. So now we'll try our new CMS site optimized for performance, and you can see uh, the performance now. It will come soon. It's loading. Chat is looks like silent. I think you guys can say something. You can see the mobile is 88 and desktop is 98, and it will go if I give another test, it will go to 90 plus, sometime 98. And it's not optimized. We have lots of random things here, pictures are not sized well. It will be always 90 plus when will uh, final version will be released. So I think everyone is really happy, will be happy with the performance. And uh, the update will come around end of January or maybe early February. It will be available for initially will release it to few users, then it will be released for everyone. So it will help for SEO and every other like performance will increase your revenue, so sites will be faster, so I'm sure it will be beneficial for everyone. So next I'll go to our main topic today. I think you guys enjoyed the performance improvement. If you like the performance improvement, let's know us in the chat. Our team is available in the chat. So, the team worked really hard for this. So, I want to thank entire Doric teams for such a great improvement. So, let's now talk about AI. We have worked for almost 4 or 5 months, last 4 or 5 months, or maybe 6 months for AI improvements, especially like not just text generation and image generation. I know lots of website building platform introduced AI, and it's just like paragraph generation, heading generation, and or something like generic. We wanted to like build something that can help your workflow. We wanted to build something that actually can build useful websites. So it's the first version. So I'll first I'll say it's not the perfect one. It's like, let's say, GPT-0 or something like this. It's still alpha version we are working on, but I'm really excited to show it to you guys and know the feedback, and we'll start giving access from tonight or tomorrow. So let's try to build our first website with AI. So I'm in our AI sites tab. You'll find a new tab when you'll get the access for AI sites, and create new site with AI. And I'll just click here, and you can see the pop-up, and we have to give a name to our website. For example, we have some example prompt here. So you can see the coffee shop and for startup and other things. So we'll, to save the time, we'll just build a website for coffee shop. So let's say coffee shop website, and I'll just copy and paste the uh, prompt from here. But here you can see we have the prompt here, like we are describing the shop, like a website for a coffee shop based in Bali, Indonesia, specializing authentic Indonesian coffee like Kopi Luwak and other things. It must include a pricing section, so you can tell the AI what type of sections you want to include, or how many section, like 5 section, 6 section, 7 sections, like this. Use dark brown color. You can tell anything, like you can give it a color code like hex code, like you can write like this hex code, or just something like this. AI will take it. Also, you can do other things like define the font size and everything. Even so many things we don't know, to be honest, because it's like AI can do so many things we even don't know what it can do. So you can play with the prompt. We have played with lots of prompt, but there's always room for improvement, always room for like AI to come up with new things. So I'll just keep it as it is. So we have language. You can build any type of language with AI, like any type of website with any language with AI, like English is default, and like any other language is possible. You just select the language from here, and it will build the website with that language. So I'll just go with this prompt and generate a website. uh, I'll just quickly answer a question. So I'll highlight it the question in the stream. So can the prompt be given in another language than English? Of course, yes. You can give the prompt in any language you want, but preferably English is like preferable, because the model we are using are mostly trained in English. But you can give the instruction in any other language also. uh, but make sure you select the language also for website. But if you, for example, if you give the instruction in Spanish, but you see the set the website language English, it will generate the website in English. So there's two things, like you can write the prompt in any other language. Also, you can select a different language for the website. I hope it's clear. So let's it's the okay. there's lots of question coming up. So I'll just generate, click generate and answer the question, because they'll take few seconds to generate. So I click the generate and I'll uh, take some question. Okay, so Andy asked, is static sites that are generated now given the new performance? Okay, the performance test initially we showed it's in the CMS. So CMS having the huge performance boost. And AI we are showing currently right now only on static version. And AI will come to the CMS like block generation and everything. And the new builder will also come to the CMS soon. Okay. So yeah, coffee shop spelling, it doesn't matter because AI will understand it. Um, okay, so generation is ongoing. So you can see the behind the scene. You can see the text is generated, image is generating. So let's see. Slowly it will like bring the image and other things. So it's AK asked when this is, so we are going to give the access from tonight and tomorrow for few people like 20-30 patch of, because it's really early version, so there is lots of bugs and issues. So we want to like gradually test and improve first, then make it available for everyone. But hopefully we'll make it available at the end of this month, because we need more user to try it and test it. More user will more data will get and more improved it will be. So it's being generated, so you can see the sections are coming. And because the generation will be a little bit slow, if I'm being honest, because there's so many moving part. First it's like designing the section, then each section have contents like text. So we are bringing the text from another like AI, then we are generating the image and then combining all of these things. So the uh, entire process takes a little bit time. So we are mostly focused initially on the quality, because we wanted to make sure the quality is the best, output is the best what available in the market. So uh, we try to give the focus only on the output, but it's really early version, I'm saying again. So you can see the website is ready. So you can see authentic coffee background image, but image is still we are using placeholder image for initial version, because AI generated images takes lots of time. Like each individual image takes more than 1 minute to generate. So if we bring it in the initial version, then it will take like 10 minutes to generate a website. So initially we use Unsplash to placehold the image, and then you can generate the images from AI. I'll show you later. So there's some question. I'll go back to go back there soon. So I'll just show you the website it generated. So you can see the sections and color dark brown. We told, and remember the prompt we told the AI to include a pricing table, and you can see the pricing here. And because it's based in Indonesia, so the pricing is in Indonesian. So and we you can see the prompt again here. You can see that we'll go back there, and then you can see the testimonial, then contact, then footer. So this is like the first version of the website. But we have uh, so and it's all by default responsive, so no problem with that. So by default responsive, it's like all other templates in and everything in Doric. So it will be by default responsive. So but you have the amazing thing here, because we have just I'll recap the prompt. You can see we have mentioned like copy lawa, copy mandating, and other things like including pricing section. So these things AI took into the consideration, and you can see the name and pricing, everything. But what amazing is we have, for example, you say you don't like the output here. Okay, I don't like this design. I want something completely new. I want to regenerate entire thing. I want to like make, so we have regenerate page option. Let's say there is the command I want to like include, for example, uh, include include a like service section or something like this. Something like this you can add. Or I want to change the color. Let's say I changed my mind. I want now like dark orange color, something like this. And we can just regenerate, click on the regenerate, and it will regenerate entire page again for you. So yeah, we will come back to the new builder feature too. Like it's being generated inside the new builder, and I'll check back all the comments. Please hold on. So once I'm finished with the um, features, then I will come back to the comments and answer all the comments. Please hold on. So it's regenerating entire page, because sometime let's say I gave a prompt was not complete, so I want to regenerate, so we can do that. And it will regenerate entire page again from the scratch, from completely new style. uh, you don't have to go back to the, like, let's say, dashboard and come back again. No need to that. No need for that. So you can see a new hero section already here. And then it's like it's generating other sections too and content. But it will be a little bit slower initially, because as I said, there's lots of moving part, images, text sections, colors, so many things, typography, so many things is like being generated at once. So it takes time to like combine all of these things and provide the output. Sometime it will miss probably one section or two sections. Sometime it will miss text. Sometime it will miss images. It happens, we are being honest here. It's not the perfect one, it's the first one. So uh, you can see it's generating. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it's faster. So it's normal with like initial version. Yeah, when you are regenerating, it's a completely new page. But I'm coming to the next step. Like we have some amazing features coming up. So we know, like, everyone does not want to regenerate everything, so we have that option for like yeah, I'm showing right now who want, like, who did not like anything at all. So it's regenerated entire thing. So but we have some like amazing feature other than this. Like, you don't like this section only, maybe you liked everything else. Maybe we did not like the homepage, let's say. So you can hover on the, like, AI icon on the section, and you can see the regenerate section icon. So regenerate and regenerate section, and it will regenerate this section only. It will change the design, it will change the, like, content. So you don't have to change entire page. If you don't like one page, sorry, one section or two section, you can simply regenerate the section, and it will just bring a new section. But as I said, it's a first version, so it takes some time to, like, uh, take into consideration your old prompt, and then the new update. Because in regeneration we can give update too, like I'll show you after the regeneration. So it will take some time. Sometime it will be quick, sometime it will be faster. So it's regenerated a new section. So let's say you don't like it, so you can again regenerate as many time as you want. Like, regenerate, it will, like, bring another section. So how can I test beta? Just sign up to our early access form, and we'll give access to most of the early access this week or next week. And hopefully it will be available for public testing, like, around the end of this month. um, so you can see there's a new section already available. So okay. So you can say it's like we can easily change any section we want. It's not just hero section. Like every section has this feature. We can change this like design we want. Like if we want to regenerate this section, just click on regenerate section. But let's say we like the design. Let's say we like this design, but we did not like this content. So we have another option called regenerate content. So it will only change the content. It will only we can also give the AI prompt what type of content like content do you want for this section. I'll just keep it as it is. So it will keep the design as it is, and it will just change the contents. So this is like every step we try to give you the control in every step. uh, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so you can see the content is regenerated. So sorry, stream was for some reason went offline. uh, so you can see the image and text are regenerated. That's not the end. Now you liked everything. Let's say you like the image and paragraph, but you did not like the text. Now you can regenerate the text too. Like click on the text and you can see our new builder, and you can see the write with AI. We can, let's say, rephrase it, improve it, lengthen it, or we can totally write the heading from here. I'll just quickly show. I know everyone familiar with is familiar with everyone is familiar with chat gpt and everything, so I'm not showing here. So you can just click on the text and like improve or rephrase it. Like I am clicking and it's rephrasing. So you can change that. You can see it's different. I can make it like, okay, shorten it, so it will make it shorter. Everything something like I can change the paragraph, I can change the image. Let's say I don't like the image, I'll just move it to the here. So you can see I don't like the image, so I'll just generate with AI photo or illustration. I want photo. Let's say I want a coffee shop uh, image of a coffee shop with natural lighting. For example, I want square or landscape or portrait. I'll just generate, and it will image generation takes a little bit time. That's why we did not include the AI image generation at the initial page generation, because each image takes like 20-30 second minimum, and around 10-15 image in one page will take like 5-6 minutes. So you can see a coffee shop image is here with like natural lighting, and I can use asset. I click on the use asset and it will be used here. So it's not updated yet, but I think, yeah, it's updated now. It takes a little bit time. So I can change anything. Someone questioned about like if I want to change like without navigation. Like if you want to keep the navigation, you can just click on this like text and image and change the image and text everything. That's not the end. That's not the end. There's some other features available for AI. We have a AI quick style. So let's say you don't like the typography, so or color, you want to play with the color, like entire color change how it looks. So we have AI quick color. It will take a little bit time because AI is kind of just suggesting you different color and different typography. Let's say, okay, blue. You can see every design is now like purple. If you select green, it will be like green. You can try different color. Also, if you want, if you like don't like the AI generated color, you can click on the color picker and you can select your own color like this, like red, you can see, or something like this. You can change entire site color at one click. So Also we can change the typography, like if I want Meriwether, okay, no, I want Oswald. You can see all the typography are being changed in one click. But I don't like any of this typography. You can click on regenerate, it will suggest you new some more uh, I'll answer all the question once I'm done with the like presentation. Please hold on. I'll get back to all the question and highlight in the stream and answer the question. So you can see new fonts are here, like Poppins now, Monster now. So you can see you can generate a page from the start, then change individual part one by one, and modify it, customize it, tweak it as you want until you are satisfied. Also, that's not the end. We have multiple pages, like you can generate inner pages with AI, but I'm not going there right now because it's still in very early stage. We need lots of work for generating inner pages. Also, we need lots of work. To be honest, it's the first version. I'm just saying again and again, it's the first version of the uh, Doric AI, and the team has done amazing job with like very quick time. And now we need lots of like testing and lots of data, lots of design data to improve it. And I believe we are going to improve it every month. Our goal is like the design quality should be improved 2x or 3x every month. That's the goal we have taken internally. So I believe like right now January 4, I'm sure in February 4 it will, the quality will be double, like. So it's a ongoing process. It's not like don't take it, it's like, oh, this is like, oh, final version of AI. No, it's like chat gpt, how is it's what GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-4, something like this. Over the time it will improve. So this is like the alpha version for us to showcase you guys, and we tried to give you something working, that a realistic, like this website can be used for any coffee shop. I'm sure. If you agree, you can share on the comment. Like if I use this color and publish, I'm sure it's a fine website for use. So it's a I we just initial version of this AI. So I'm just going to uh, okay. So okay, so go back to sorry, I missed something. So here's another amazing thing we have. Like you can see the photo, we have also illustration. So you can generate amazing illustration. Like let's say generate a flat illustration of a coffee shop. Let's say square generate. So it will generate a coffee shop illustration. So it's really, you don't have to just like use image or illustration. Finding illustration is really hard, so now you can generate it from here. You can see the generated image here. So they have, so but we are still improving as we are growing, going toward like next version. Like each every month we'll update our model and data, so it will improve over the time. And next in future we'll have, like let's say you want a button. So let's say I want to add a new button. You can just suggest the AI what type of button do you want. In future we will have the command chatting system here. Like you can say okay, reduce the space of the sections, like let's say entire section. It will reduce all the section space. Or you can say like increase the typography or of my site, increase the font size of my site. So it will increase entire or like typography, like font size everywhere. So everything in the next phase we are going to work on these things. Like you can uh, generate every small things. Like let's say now the button is square, we can make it pill. We can make it pill. So just will give the instruction to the AI, like make my all the buttons smaller or all of the buttons bigger. Just instruction and it will be done. So it will save tons of times and you can try different things very quickly. Like now I already showed like how quickly we can change the typography and color. In future we can try with different spacing, like okay, reduce the section spacing, it will reduce the section spacing. Increase the font size, it will increase the font sizes. Make my buttons bigger, so it will like make the buttons bigger. So it's gonna be amazing, and we are gonna work on lots of things. And upcoming also another important feature is coming. It will be I'll just quickly announce it here. So it will be screenshot to screenshot to Doric, screenshot or Figma to Doric. So I'm sure everyone is excited about it, but we are still R&D stage about this. So what happens, like you want to move to like a website to Doric, but it's hard because you have to uh, uh, okay. So is sound clear? Someone is complaining about sound maybe. I not have sound. It sound is clear. Can you please someone complaining about sound? Sound is okay. Sound is fine. So screenshot and Figma. So that's great. Thanks for letting me know. So screenshot, like sometime we have a client website or our own website. Moving to Doric is very hard. Like you have to do everything manually. But in future you don't have to. You can just take the screenshot and give it to Doric AI, and AI will take the design and move it to the Doric. It will be like at 80 to 90% perfect. We are hoping 80 to 90% perfect. So so uh, I hope it. I don't have any ETA at this moment, but we are working on it. And with that feature, we will also work on Figma to Doric import. So both will come together because both will use AI to AI. Both will utilize AI to like import to Doric. So I'm really excited about, and uh, team is really working hard for this feature also, and all the other features I have mentioned. And so I'll just go back to our builder so I can show you some more features about new builder, and then I'll go back to question answers. All the questions I have here, I'll answer all of them. So I have talked about mostly AI, but you can see we have a new website builder here. So now you can find the elements here, everything like buttons and everything, image, contact form, videos, and everything. And we can drag and drop those things here. You can see drag and drop here. So it's really gonna help lots of users to like improve their workflows. Also we have components library here. I know lots of users are are confused about their saved sections and everything. So we have component library. It's here our library, and here you will find your saved section, rows, columns, and everything you'll find here. So no more confusion. You'll find here and drag and drop everything. And we have pages newly designed. You can see new page, and I can create new page. And there's another amazing feature we have is called like nested page. Like you can now easily create page inside page. So you can see it's really gonna help lots of users because it was confusing before, like creating nested pages. So now we can easily create nested pages, and we can organize the pages very easily. And you can see the new like layer panel. I'll just go back to home so we can see the new layer panels. We can see everything. And someone talked about media library. Yes, we have the media library. You can see all the images we have worked with in this site. You can find it here. You can delete or like copy URL and everything. You'll find all the videos here. So image library is finally here. And also we have settings. We have another features called container, but I think I'm not gonna talk too much about it in this video. I'll just give you a short brief about it, because we'll have a entire video about it. It's not possible to, like, I don't want to bore you guys in an, like, because we are all excited about AI. So we have a new feature called container. So container have lots of amazing feature, like now we can utilize the CSS flexbox to like adjust container. Like I can make them vertical, make them horizontal, and other things. So we'll have a detailed video upcoming in coming few days about container. I know everyone who knows flexbox and use Figma very excited about container, and I'll show you how. And new builder has everything redesigned. You can see the like tabs and everything much more cleaner, much more easy to use, much more like refreshed. We tried to keep it simple and use we did not change too many things, because we don't want to make our users learn again. So the features are available at the same place, but you'll find them much more cleaner and much more refreshed UI. So I'm sure everyone will enjoy new UI. And I think I'll go back to some question, because lots of questions are already pending. So let me just scroll up. And so okay, I think one question asked by uh, Facebook, someone from Facebook there. What if I want to build a Arabic? So language switch is still not available. We'll work on something like auto translation and language switch in the future, but it's not available right now for like automatically uh, lending language switch. So and someone shared like time is fine, imagine how much time it will take to manually do. Yeah, one thing I'm saying again and again, we did not focus on like improving time initially. Quality is the main, because building a website takes hours. So if we can like reduce it to the minutes, that was the goal. um, for every I answered it already. Oh, will AI generator website will totally optimize for every device? Yes, it will be responsive and it will be optimized for every device. No problem. Uh, can we use markdown for prompt, or natural language is suffice? Natural language is fine. You can use XML too, like XML or markdown if you want, because our model support this. So no problem with that. Yeah, like however better way you can make the AI understand your instruction. That's the goal. Like it's not us who decide what, like so it's like AI, the way you will explain to the AI will give the output accordingly. Yes. So is it possible to modify some part of existing website? It's not possible right now to modify sections, but you can change the text and images. You can generate image and text, but we will bring the option in future hopefully. Right now we want to test the AI like in an isolated way, so we don't want to like make it like conflict with existing sites or existing builder, because there's lots of things going on AI. So if we bring everything to the main builder right now, it can break things. So we want to test the AI in a separate way. That's why we have a separate tab and separate build, like where to build just AI site, because we need few weeks, 2 months to test everything. Then we can integrate the AI in every like all sites. And when the site is generated, can you still use prompt to tweak and change things, seen things other AI website? Yes, you can. I showed you. I'll show you again. Like you can, if you want to change this section, you can just click on regenerate section or regenerate content, and you can see the prompt here. You can change the prompt and it will regenerate completely different section and everything. You can tweak everything how you want. even you can, if you want just content, you can just change the content, you can give the prompt, you can see the prompt. Every regeneration have a prompt option, so you can give the command and it will change after that. So we have this option. Then uh, so it will be a completely new page once it, yeah, if you use the regenerate page, it will be entirely new page, regenerated from scratch. If you want to tweak some part, you can go by sections, like regenerating sections and regenerating contents. So how can I test? Will it be, initially we did not have any like plan restriction, because we want to test, uh, uh, we want to test it first. Everyone should test, we need lots of testing and improvement. Then after that we will decide which plans it will be included. But mostly most paid plan will have, also free plan will have, but free plan will have like maybe some limits, and paid plan will have less limits. So um, what if I want to regenerate hero section but without changing the header menu and suggester? So we don't have any freezing. Nice suggestion. Like we can exclude, we can maybe bring a feature called exclude this element from regeneration. But right now you have to regenerate like text separately. You can't exclude any element. But a good suggestion. I'll tell the team to note it. So we can probably say something like here's that exclude navigation, and it will not regenerate the navigation, something like this. Great suggestion, thank you. I can't see your name because it's from Facebook. Hi, hello, sorry for mm, okay. It's a spam. So we have asset library now. Yes, we have media library now. You can see it here, media library, assets library here. You can see all the image uploaded, and all the videos and also fonts. So good question. Where are the photos being pulled from, and photos free from copyright restriction? So we use two image generation model. I'm clear, honest about it. We use DALI 3 and another called AWS image generation. I forgot the name of AWS Titan. It's called AWS Titan. So we use both model. If one does not find good image, another. So those models like terms and condition apply for the images. If you, and initial images are from Unsplash, so Unsplash license is like applicable. The MVP looks great. Thank you so much. Uh, this person already import Figma templates. No, not yet. We are working. It's gonna be the phase 2. Hopefully in few months we'll like the version 2 of AI will have those features. Will it generate the logo for brand? Not right now. I don't think logo generation. We did not like actually give too much importance on logo generation, because most of the brand already have a logo, and a logo generating AI models are, we did not find any good models to like generate the AI. So logo generation is not. It's like placeholder logo always will be there. Impressed by first person, thank you so much. That was the goal for us. Like we want to bring something that works, not something half baked or like half done. We wanted to something that like working version. So I suggest generating the blog SEF, and we'll bring the AI in CMS, or so all the features about like generating custom collections and custom everything will be also we will have the block generation feature in the CMS in the future. Like you can give the instruction and your keyword, like SEO optimized, the AI will output you the outline and write the article for you. That's uh, will be in the future. So do you have any ATF for AI? Will give the early access from tomorrow, and hopefully public beta for from like end of this month, because we need lots of testing. So there's a suggestion from a user: apply CSS animation on HTML, apply RTL layouts using AI. Well done, guys. I can see and confirm that you figured out most of the amazing website building experience faster than others. Thank you so much. That was the goal. And yeah, the thing you mentioned, CSS animation, we are already, as I mentioned, in the next version, we are gonna work like you can give a command like add a animation or hover animation in this button or my buttons, add animation in my image, it will add animation in your images. Those are planned already in the future version. We must media library option, yeah, we already have. Okay, the collection, it's related to CMS, so we'll already work after performance on CMS. This is amazing. New builder seems really better. A larger window of editing custom code. It's a suggestion. I'll forward it to the team. We'll see what we can do about it. And for SEO, it will be okay, of course. But as I mentioned, it's you who will direct the AI. AI by default won't be SEO friendly. You have to like put your prompt and everything to make it SEO friendly. Mm. So okay, lots of question about RTL. I think we'll work more on RTL later phase of the builder. So I'm not answering those right now, but we are noting those comment. I'll ask the team to note all the RTL comments. New UI will be on CMS and static both, but it will be initially only on AI builder just for testing, because we need to test first, then deploy it to the existing site so it does not break anything. Is it possible to create an AI website from your? Not possible right now. Maybe in future we'll think about it. Ask the AI to copy a site with a URL. It's not possible right now. This is the feature we are working. In the future, it will take a screenshot and move to the builder. But right now, it can get the inspiration of the content. Like if you say build a website with the similar content, like for example any popular brand like tesla.com or Microsoft, and AI will take inspiration from that. But it's not possible to copy entire site right now, but in future it will be possible. When will be possible to copy sorry, duplicate export JSON code so we can existing site? Yeah, it will be possible with performance update. We can um, uh, just not copy export JSON, we can export entire CMS site to another server. Like if you want to host in your own like hosting, the new CMS will allow you to export entire site. But it's not going to be the first feature, but once the performance is stable, we'll bring those features like export to your own hosting. Like if you want to host in your own you have let's say DigitalOcean hosting or shared hosting, you want to like host entire CMS site there, you can export there. So it will come after the performance, like stabilizing the performance. uh, So pricing has been changed for, yeah, it's not just AI, but AI is a part, and I have already announced in our group about uh, the pricing, the reason of the like price change. So it's multiple factor, like not just AI. Yeah, AI also is a big factor, of course, but other things also we have took into consideration. Little off topic, but when exporting static website, will image set will be on CDN or so zip? So currently exported image will be on our CDN, so it won't be inside the zip, but in future probably we'll export it to zip, but right now it will be on CDN. I mailed so So, I'm excluding some question that is not related to today's topic, like integration, WhatsApp integration, and everything. But the team is already noting your request. I just want to make sure that any other non-related request also team is taking note. So, I'm just trying to like keep the discussion in today's topic. So, everyone, because everyone came here for the AI. So uh, so a huge time saver for non-tech. Yeah, that's what's the goal. That is the goal for us, like saving time for and saving, like improving the workflow for website building. So as I answered it already, after performance improvement feature deployed, then we'll have some time to like work on this. You can export the CMS JSON and like import it on the other side. Yes, we'll build lots of tutorial in future, and I'm sure the community also will try to build lots of things. And okay, this is not a question. This is you have done amazing job with Doric. Thank you, Jose Montero. I hope pronounce your like name right. I for your science first launch. I'm amazed what you have done. Thank you. The T. It's not like it's everyone, not just us. Like the we team, the every support, like customers, users of Doric. Like we are like tried to do it together. JSON LD automation, of course, it will come in future. There, okay, last comment. Great MVP overall. Thank you, Ethan. So, if you guys have any other question, please feel free to share, and I will ask moderator to share our Discord URL in the chat. So for AI, because I know AI community and our team already use Discord regularly, and we want to be in touch in chat always. So I'll ask in YouTube and Facebook and everywhere to share the link of our Discord channel. And please, you guys, you can join the Discord channel for AI, specifically AI related like updates and talk suggestion and sharing prompts and everything, because AI community mostly based around Discord. So our Doric team also use Discord regularly, and so we appreciate you. We hope we'll see you guys in Discord. Okay, final comment from Bruno. Uh, we great. We also need to improve the CMS and block cluster. It's impossible to migrate all. Okay, this I think we have already worked on this issue about changing the date of the publish. So is it? I'll just quickly. Is it deployed already or not? So it's not deployed, but it's already fixed. Bruno, hopefully it will be deployed soon. And if you guys have any question, I'm sure like it's the I want to iterate again. It's the first version of the our AI, and uh, I was really excited to share with you guys. I know like lots of things will be broken here, but it doesn't matter. We'll improve it like week by week, month by month. Just wanted to show everyone like the path we are taking, the goal we have. The goal is like helping the workflow of website building, helping everyone to make website faster, quicker, so and better. Like I hope you guys enjoyed our demo today, and we'll soon start giving you the early access to our AI. And we hope we'll see you guys in the Discord, and you guys will try different prompt, share your prompt, and everything. So okay, last question from what about apply massive change to 30 landing page? If you want to change the color, let's say color or typography, it's possible, no problem. But I'm not sure what other things can be repeated in 30 pages, because 30 page will have different content, and you don't want same heading in 30 page, right? So I think for color and typography, it does not matter 30 or 50 page. Everything will be amazing. Everything will be changed instantly. So no problem. And this, if you guys missed it, we will have a recorded version uploaded soon. So I saw some comment like missed it. So no problem. Don't worry, Valentine. Will you'll just keep an eye on our YouTube channel. You'll find the recorded version soon. And I think we are done. And thank you so much, guys. Lots of people joined, and we are really excited to like improve Doric better every day, make Doric work for everyone, like improve your workflow and everything. And hopefully you will keep supporting us and like trying the Doric AI and give us suggestions so we can improve. And have a good night, good day, wherever you are. And thank you so much again. So goodbye.